Helium 10 has earned its place as one of the most talked about tools for Amazon sellers. If you've been considering scaling your Amazon business or you're new to the platform, then you've likely come across this all-in-one solution. With over 30 integrated tools, Helium 10 promises to help sellers with everything from product research and keyword optimization to inventory management and marketing strategies. Now, this review isn't just about what Helium 10 offers. It's about whether it lives up to the hype or not. So after thoroughly testing the platform and diving into its features, comparing it to alternatives, it's time to explore if Helium 10 is the ultimate tool to transform your Amazon selling journey. What is Helium 10? Helium 10 is an Amazon seller's best friend. It's not just one tool. It's a suite of tools designed to cover every aspect of running an Amazon business. From finding profitable products to creating optimized listings, Helium 10 aims to remove guesswork and replace it with data-driven strategies. But what makes it stand out isn't just the breadth of its tools, it's how seamlessly they integrate. Think of Helium 10 as the command center for your Amazon operations, with tools like Black Box for product research, Cerebro for reverse ASIN analytics, and Atomic for PPC campaigns. It's designed to simplify the complexity of selling on Amazon. And now, with features catering to Walmart sellers, it's branching out to support multi-platform sellers. Many users were initially drawn in by the success stories. The testimonials are hard to ignore. Sellers doubling or tripling their sales after implementing Helium 10's tools. But beyond the flashy success stories, what makes Helium 10 essential is its focus on actionable insights. It's not just about data. It's about using that data to make better decisions. Key features of Helium 10. Number 1, product research. Finding the right product is the cornerstone of any successful Amazon business. Helium 10's product research tools, particularly Black Box, are designed to help sellers uncover hidden gems. Black Box isn't just a research tool, it's a data engine. By inputting specific filters like category, sales volume, competition level, and price range, you can generate a list of products that meet your criteria. Now, during a test, I used Black Box to explore the pet supplies niche. I wanted products with monthly revenues of $10,000 or more and fewer than 100 reviews. Within seconds, Black Box provided several viable options, including a specific dog grooming kit that showed consistent sales but lacked strong competition. This level of precision allows sellers to confidently enter niches without wasting time on trial and error methods. Now, in addition to Black Box, tools like Trendster help you spot trending products, ensuring that you capitalize on seasonal opportunities. So whether you're a beginner or scaling an established store, these tools will streamline the often overwhelming process of product research. Number 2, keyword research. Keywords are the lifeblood of Amazon SEO. Without the right keywords, even the best products can go unnoticed. Helium 10's keyword tools, Cerebro and Magnet, work together to uncover and refine keywords that drive visibility and sales. Cerebro allows you to perform reverse ASIN lookups, essentially spying on competitors. For example, by entering the ASIN of a top performing product in my niche, I could see the keywords driving those sales. The data includes search volume, competing products, and keyword ranking, helping me pinpoint opportunities. Magnet, on the other hand, helps you build on those findings by generating related keywords. Now, what sets Helium 10 apart is its focus on actionable insights. So for instance, Cerebro doesn't just show keywords. It calculates a Cerebro IQ score, which weighs competition against demand. A higher score indicates a keyword with high potential. Using this, I was able to refine my keyword list, prioritizing those with strong demand but manageable competition. Number 3, listing optimization. A great product and stellar keyword means little without an optimized listing. Helium 10's listing builder, listing analyzer, and Frankenstein tool ensure that your listings are primed for conversions. Frankenstein simplifies keyword optimization by processing large keyword lists, removing duplicates, and organizing them for easy integration. When I tested it, I imported a list of over 1,000 keywords and reduced it to just 150 high priority terms in under a minute. The listing builder tool integrates these keywords into your product titles, descriptions, and bullet points. What's particularly impressive is the AI assisted feature. Now, by inputting details about your product and brand, the AI generates optimized content tailored to Amazon's algorithms. During During my test, the AI suggested a product title and bullet points for a pet grooming kit, incorporating high-volume keywords seamlessly. Listing Analyzers takes it a step further by auditing your existing listings, compares them to competitors, and highlights areas for improvement, such as missing keywords or underperforming images. This tool alone helped me identify gaps in my listing, such as using suboptimal keywords in the description, which I promptly then corrected. Number 4, marketing and PPC management. Amazon PPC campaigns can be a goldmine or a money pit, depending on how well they're managed. Helium 10's Adtomic tool simplifies this process by offering comprehensive PPC management. Now, Adtomic isn't just about creating ads, it's about optimizing them. The tool analyzes campaign performance in real time, suggesting keyword bids, targeting adjustments, and budgeting allocations. So for my test campaign, I used Adtomic to launch an ad for a kitchen gadget. So the tool identified underperforming keywords and reallocated the budget to higher converting ones, reducing my ad spend by 20% while increasing sales. Beyond PPC, Helium 10's Portals tool lets you build off Amazon landing pages to capture leads and drive traffic. This feature is invaluable for building a brand presence outside of Amazon's ecosystem. User experience. One of Helium 10's standout feature is its user-friendly interface. Despite the sheer number of tools, the platform organizes everything logically, making navigation intuitive. Each tool includes a Learn section with tutorials and video guides, ensuring users of all experience levels can get up to speed quickly. The Chrome extension deserves special mention. It brings core Helium 10 tools directly to your browser, allowing you to conduct research while browsing Amazon. Tools like X-Ray and ASIN Grabber make it easy to validate product ideas without switching between tabs. However, the learning curve for beginners is steep. While the tools are powerful, mastering them requires time and commitment. Helium 10 mitigates this with resources like the Freedom Ticket course, included with higher tier plans, which provides in-depth training on using the platform and succeeding on Amazon. Pricing and value. Helium 10 offers a range of pricing plans designed to accommodate Amazon sellers at different stages of their business journey, from beginners to seasoned professionals. So here's a breakdown of the plans and what they include. First up is the starter plan at $39 per month or $29 per month billed annually. The starter plan is tailored for those just beginning their Amazon selling journey. It provides essential tools for product and keyword research, listing optimization, and some basic analytics. While access to some features is limited, this plan includes training through the Freedom Ticket Amazon course, which is a $997 value, making it an excellent starting point for newcomers. Next, we have the Platinum plan at $99 per month or $79 per month billed annually. The Platinum plan is the most popular option for growing businesses. It offers comprehensive access to tools like Blackbox for product research, Cerebro for reverse ASIN analysis, and Adtomic for managing Amazon PPC campaigns. Sellers can track up to 500 keywords with the keyword tracker, optimize listings with advanced tools, and monitor 3 markets using Market Tracker. The inclusion of the Freedom Ticket course ensures that even intermediate sellers can continue to refine their strategies. The Diamond plan at $279 per month or $229 per month billed annually, the Diamond plan caters to professional sellers scaling their businesses. It offers multi-user access, expanded functionality for essential tools, and premium features like Market Tracker 360, which provides deep insights into competitive markets. Sellers can manage up to 200 product alerts, track 2,500 keywords, and access advanced advertising solutions via Adtomic. This plan's ideal for businesses looking to dominate their niches and expand into Walmart Marketplace. Custom plans and add-ons. For enterprise-level sellers, Helium 10 offers custom plans tailored to their specific needs. Add-ons like Market Tracker 360 is $500 a month, and Elite Coaching for $99 a month enhance the functionality of any subscription, providing options for competitive intelligence and advanced training. Now, if you want to get started with Helium 10, we'll have a link for you down in the description, which will bring you to a page that looks like this. When you come to this page, you can see that you can get 20% off for 6 months when you use code ECOMMastery20, or you can get 10% off every month when you use code ECOMMastery10. So again, be sure to click the link down in the description and use those codes. Free plan. For sellers who want to test the waters, the free plan includes limited access to tools like Blackbox and Trendster. While it's basic, basic, it's a valuable way to explore Helium 10's ecosystem before committing to a paid subscription. So after you go ahead and click the link down in the description to get started with Helium 10 and you sign up for an account, this is what you'll be greeted with. So here is the dashboard, and if we go ahead and scroll down here, you can go ahead and see what it looks like on the inside. So you're gonna have a ton of different graphs and things to manage everything when it comes to your Amazon store. So right here, we have our Cerebro search. So this is where you can enter ASINs or click to view other options. This is also where you can find the magnet search here as well. So up here at the top, we have our dashboard, and then next to the dashboard, we have tools. So if we go ahead and click down tools, we have our favorite section over here on the left where we have Black Box, Cerebro, Listing Analyzer, and Listing Builder. And then we have all the tools over here. And if we click on show all tools, you can see all the tools that Helium 10 has to offer, which is a lot. So under product research, we have Black Box, Trendster, Product Launch, and My List products. Under listing optimization, we have Frankenstein, Scribbles, Index Checker, Listing Analyzer, Listing Builder, and Audience, as well as a bunch of more tools here to help you succeed on Amazon. So again, if you want to get started with Helium 10, be sure to click the link down in the description and use one of the codes depending on which plan you decide to go with. Is it worth it? While Helium 10's pricing may seem a bit steep, the value it delivers in time savings, data accuracy, and comprehensive tools make it an investment rather than an expense. Beginners will benefit from the educational resources, while seasoned sellers can leverage advanced tools to streamline operations and boost profitability. For serious Amazon sellers, Helium 10 is a game changer that really justifies its cost through increased efficiency and better decision making. Helium 10 isn't just a tool, it's a toolbox. Its advanced feature set gives Amazon sellers all the tools that they need to see success with their business confidently. From finding profitable products to creating high converting listings and managing PPC campaigns, Helium 10 delivers on its promises. Yes, there's a learning curve, and yes, it's an investment. But for sellers committed to scaling their Amazon business, Helium 10 is worth every penny. It's not just about tools, it's about transforming how you approach selling on Amazon. So if you want to get started with Helium 10, then again, you'll find links for them down in the description below. This is an affiliate link, which means that we earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue creating free content just like this. So if you end up using them, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on this channel, we're dedicated to helping you succeed with e-commerce, providing tips, strategies, and insights to grow your online business, so be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.